Question number 1. The ratio of the number of students in a class 6 and class 7 of a total 520 students is 7:6. Total how many parts? 13 parts. 13 parts are how much? 520. Every one part 40. Then 7 parts 280. 6 parts 240. Okay. And the number of, when some new students are admitted, the number of students in class 6 is increased by 20. Already class 6 280. It is increased by 20 means it will become 300. Next, and the ratio of the students in class 6 to that of class 7 each changes to 6:5. Means 300 is represents how many parts? 6 parts. Then every one part 50. Then 5 parts are 250. Before increased, class 7 was 240. After increased 250. How much value are increased? 10 or 10%. 10. Next question number 2. The capacity of 3 containers X, Y, Z are in the ratio of 7:5:9. They are completely filled with a mixture of milk and water in the proportions of 5:2, 2:3 and 3:5 respectively. If the mixtures of all the 3 containers are mixed together, what will be the proportion of milk to water in the final mixture? First mixture total quantity is how many parts? 7 parts. In that milk and water 5:2. Total 7 parts, milk 5 parts, water 2 parts. In first one, what is the milk is how many parts? 5 parts. Second mixture total how many parts? 5 parts. In that, milk and water are in which ratio? 2:3. Total 5 parts, mixture also 5 parts. Milk is how many parts? 2 parts. That is milk in second one. Next, what is the third total mixture? 9 parts. But it is distributed 3:5 ratio. Total how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts are equal to how much? 9. Then every one part are 8, 9 by 8 or 9 by 8. But required milk means how many parts we need? 3 parts are. Okay. First one is milk in first one. Second one are milk in second one. And third one is milk in third one. These 3 are adding, we are getting the milk quantity or water quantity? Milk quantity. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. 9 3 is 27 by 8. 27 by 8 means we return 3 by 8. 27 by 8 means we return 3 by 8. 7 plus 3 10. It is 10 3 by 8 or not? 10 3 by 8 means it is 83 by 8 or not? What the milk is how many parts? 83. Then first value must be 83 parts multiple or not? Which option? Second option or not? Obviously we are get the water value also same or different. What is the water in first one? 2. What is the water in second one? 3. What is the water in third one? 5 by 8 of which one? 9 or not? Yes or no? Next, these are solving, we are get the water value. Already we know the which one? Milk quantity or not? Okay. Next question number 3. Two numbers are in which ratio? 8:9. If the sum of their cubes is how much? 9928. Then find the sum of their squares. Suppose first number 8 are taken. Second number 9 are taken. What is the 8 cube? 512. What is the 9 cube? 720. Both are adding. We are getting 500 plus 700 means almost 1200 change or not? But here value 9928 or not? Okay. What is the 8 double? 16. 9 double? 18. One will be 16 cube. Another one are 18 cube or not? What is the 16 cube? 4096. What is the 18 cube? 5832 or not? These two are adding 9928 or not? 9928. Then first number is how much? 16. Second number are 18 or not? But we required sum of their squares. What is the 16 square? 256. What is the 18 square? 324. Both are adding or subtracting? Adding. Total it is 580. Which option? Third one. Next question number 4. The greatest number of 4 digits that is exactly divisible by 32, 48 and 72. We required LCM or SCF? Divisible by means LCM. Divided means SCF, and here divisible by means required which one? LCM. LCM is always is equal to either largest number or multiples of largest number. What is the largest number here? 72. It is multiple of 8 and also 9. Okay. It must be divisible by 8 and 9 means total answer also divisible by 8 and 9. First verify the divisible of 9. First option, what is the sum of the digits? 9 divisible. Next, 27 means 9 multiple. Second option, 9 multiple. Next, third option, no. Fourth option, no. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. And 72, it is also 8 multiple. Okay. What is the divisible of 8? Last 3 digits. 792. 8 9s are 72. Remaining also 72. It is multiple of 800. 972. 8 12s are how much? 96. Remaining 12. It is 8 multiple? No. Then answer first option. Next question number 5. Question number 5. From each of the 4 corners of a square metal of a sheet of side 80 centimeters, a square of side 8 centimeters is cut off and box is made. Find the capacity in liters of the box that contains water in it. Required capacity in liters. Okay. First of all, from each of the 4 corners of a square metal sheet means actual diagram are square shape. What is the side of a square? 80 centimeters. Okay. A square of side 8 centimeters is cut off. Means here how many centimeters are cut? 8 centimeters. And here also 8 centimeters. This side also 8 centimeters are cut. Means length side 8 centimeters are cut. Breadth side also 8 centimeters are cut. Means length of the box is how much? 8. Breadth of the box also 800. Okay. But height of the box is how much? Sorry. Wait. Length of the box means it is box. What is the box length? This is 8 and this is also 8. 80 minus 16. What is the length of the box? 64. Length of the box is how much? 64. What is the breadth of the box? Bottom is 8. Top also 8. Means breadth also how much? 64. Again, height of the box. Height of the box means this corner. This corner also height. What is the height of the box? 8 centimeters. It is 3D figure. 3D figure means height value it is also equal to which one? 8 centimeters. Okay. Length of the box is how much? 64. Breadth of the box also 64. But height of the box is how much? 8 centimeters. Okay. And we know the length and we know the breadth and we know the height. It is 3-dimensional figure. 3-dimensional figure means what is the volume? Product of the edges and sides. What is the product value? 64 into 8. Okay. 64 into 8. End with 64 square means 4096 into 8. Okay. 8 6 how much? 48. 8 return 4 carrier. 8 9s are 72 plus 4 means 76. Which option are possible? Second option. Actually we are getting 3 2 7 6 8. But we required which one? Liters. Divide by 1000. Actually we are getting centimeter cube. It is converted to which one? Liters. Divide by 1000. What is the answer? 32.768. If you are cut the box, length and breadth values 64 and 64, but height will be equal to which one? 8 centimeters. Next question number 6. X can do 43 3 by 4% of a work in how many days? 7 days. 43 3 by 4%. 4 into 40, 160. 4 3 is 12. Total it is 172 plus 3 means 175. 175 by 400. 25 how many times? 7. 25 how many times? 1600. 7 parts in how many days? 7 days. Then 16 parts, 16 days. Another one, 64 2 by 7%. 7 into 60, 420. 7 4 the 28. 448 plus 2 means 450 by 700. 0 cancel. 5 how many times? 9. 5 how many times? 14. It is 9 by 1400. 9 parts will be how many days? 9 days. Then 14 parts are 14 days. And Z can do 58 1 by 3%. 58 1 by 3% means 50% plus 8 1 by 3%. What is the 50% value? 1 by 2. 8 1 by 3% means 1 by 12. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 12. 5 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Out of 12 parts, how many parts are completed? 7 parts. 7 parts in how many days? 14 days. Every one part 2 days. Then 14 parts are 28 days. Then we are get the x, y. Sorry, 12 parts is how many days? 24 days. What is the 7 parts value? 14 days. Then 12 parts is how many days? 24 days. X can do the work in how many days? 16. Y 14 and Z will be 24. What is the LCM of 16, 14 and 24? 16, 24 means 48 LCM. Again we required 14. 14 means it is 7 multiple. 48 into 7. 48 into 7. 48 into 7 is the LCM value. 48 into 7. It is the LCM value. 16 how many times? 21 times. 14 how many times? 24 times. 24 how many times? 14 times. X per day work is how many parts? 21. Y per day work 24. Z per day work 1400. All these are adding, we are get the total work. 21 plus 24, 45 plus 14, 59. What is the total work? 48 into 7. What is the total efficiency? 5900. Thus, out of this work, how much percent are we need? 78 4 by 7%. 770 is how much? 490. 7 8 is 56. 490 plus 56 plus 400. Total it is 650 or 560? 6 490 plus 60 100. Total it is how much? 550 100. 550 by 700. 550 by 700. 0 0 cancel. 7 almost 10 times 100. 5 11 times. 5 how many times? 2 times 100. Any other cancellations? 2 how many times? 24. 11 into 24 means 264. Divide by how much value? 59. More than 4 times 100. End with 4. First option is end with 4. Yes. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? Yes. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. 59 directly 4 times 100. 59 4 times means it is 236. What is the remaining value? 28 by 59. Which option? Fourth option. Sixth question is related. Actually, it is a related question. What is the topic here? Time and work. But your question is related to percentage or not. If you know the percentage concept, the question are easier or not. Next question number 7. Just mixed fractions are given, converted to mixed percentage are given, converted to fractions. What is the value of P? 161 plus 17 square divided by 6 of P minus 3 of 8 equal to minus 9. It is only minus 9, not question mark. Okay. First, 161 plus 17 square. What is the 17 square? 289 plus 161. 450 divided by 6 into P, that is equal to minus 9 plus 24, minus 9 plus 24, 15, 15 how many times? 30 times, 6 how many times? 5 times, then P equal to how much? 5. Next question number 8. What is the question here? Find the total number of students passed from institutes PST together. Passed students means second diagram or first diagram? Second diagram. Distribution of the students percentage wise who passed the examination from institutes PQRST. Total number of students are passed how much? 1200. Then we are using the second diagram or first diagram? Second diagram. P means what is the percentage? 15. What is the S percentage? 18. Next T will be 12. Total it is 45%. 15 plus 18 plus 12. Total it is 45%. 45% of which value? 1200. 45% of 1200. It is 9 multiple. Only one option. Next question number 9. If the volume of a cone is how much? 1676 4 by 21 centimeter cube and its height are given 25 centimeters, find its base diameter. Okay. What is the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is the pi value? 22 by 7 into r square into h. What is the h value? 25. First, already we know the volume 1676 4 by 21. First 21 into 1000, 21,000. 21 into 600, 1 2 6 0 0, 12,600. 21 into 70, 1470. 21 into 6, 126 plus 4, 130. 1470 plus 130, 1600. 1600. 1600 plus 2600, 4200 plus 1000, 5200. 26 plus 16, 42. 42 plus 1000, 5200. Next 2 plus 1, 3. Means 35200 by how much value? 21. Left hand side denominator 21, right hand side denominator 21, canceller. 21, 11 how many times? 2 times. 11 how many times? 352. 3 times again 2 times. Okay. 2 how many times? 1600 times. 25. 100 means 4 times. Already here 16. It will be 64. 1600 means written 16 into 100. 25 how many times? 100. 4 times. 16 for the 64. R square 64 means R value 8. What is the question here? Diameter. What is the answer? 16. Diameter means 2R. Don't say radius are 7 multiple. Answer also 7 multiple. Because what is the denominator here? 21. Right hand side denominator 21, left hand side denominator 7 means both are 7 canceller. Then radius must be other than the 7 multiple. Next question number 10. The discount allowed on an article is 680 more than the profit earned on the article. If the selling price of the article is 1760, the shopkeeper marked the article 150% above the which one? Cost price. Then find the profit person earned the article. Discount is 680 more than the which one? Profit. Suppose the profit value I consider x, then discount value x plus 680. X plus 680. Just remember these 2 points. Profit are how much? X. Discount value X plus 680. Okay. And the selling price of the article is how much? 1760. Before adding the after discount, it will be selling price or not? Before the discount? Before the discount, market price. After the discount, selling price or not? Okay. What is the selling price value? 1760. What is the discount value? X plus 680 plus X plus 680 or not? What is the meaning here? 1760 selling price, X plus 680 discount. Both are adding market price or not? Next, what is the cost price? Cost price means before the profit, cost price. After the profit, selling price. What is the selling price value? 1760. In that profit is how much? X. 1760 minus X. We are get the which one? Cost price or not? Numerator is market price. Denominator cost price. Okay. Suppose cost price I consider 100%. Market price compared to cost price, how much percent are above? 150% above. Then market price is 250% or 55 times 50 2 times or yes or no? Simplify this one, we are get the which value? X value. Okay, if you know the X, nothing but if you know the profit, obviously we are get the cost price or not? Okay, first 1760 plus 680. 232440 into how many times? 2 times or not? It is 2440. Double means it is 4960 or not? 4960 plus 2x or not? Next, left hand side 5 into 1760. 5 into 1760 means 8500 plus 300. 8800 minus 5x or not? Minus 5x. Negative 5x becomes positive 5x. Total it is how much? 7x. That is equal to 8800 minus 4960. Compared to 5000, 40 less. Compared to 5000, 3800 more. Then it is 3840. 3840. 7 how many times? 5 times. What is the remaining? 34. 2440. Double means how much? 4880. 4880. What is the difference between 8800 and 4880? Compared to 5000, 120 less. Compared to 5000, 3800 more. Total it is 3920. Okay, 7 how many times? 5 times. Again 6 times 0. X value 560. Already we know selling price. Selling price is how much? 1760. In that profit value 560. Profit is 560 or not? What is the cost price? 1200 or not? Yes sir. Again we required which one? Profit percent or profit? Profit percent. What is the profit value? 560. It is calculated on which one? 1200. Means 560 by 1200 multiplied by which one? 100 or not? 2 zeros are cancelled. 4 how many times? Denominator 3 times. Numerator 140 times or not? 140 by 3. It is 46 2 by 3% or not? 46 2 by 3%. Solve చేయాల్సిందే తప్పదు. Because we required which one? Profit by cost price into 100 or not? What is the final step we written? Profit by cost price into 100. How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns are not? Okay, first we need to identify the profit, after that cost price or not? Because we know the only selling price value or not? Next question number 11. A solid metallic sphere of radius 14 centimeters is melted and recast into 8 spheres of equal volumes or different volumes? Equal volumes. And find the sum of the surface areas of these 8 spheres or not? Simply we are say one diagram is converted to how many diagrams? 8 diagrams are means volume of a larger one. It is also equal to which one? 8 times of volume of a smaller one. Okay. What is the volume of a larger one? Sphere volume 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Next 8 into 4 by 3 pi small r cube. Okay, and already we know the radius of sphere. We know the radius of larger sphere. Obviously we are get the radius of smaller one. What is the question here? Find the sum of the surface areas of these 8 sphere. Every sphere surface area means 4 pi r square. In sphere there is no outside and there is no inside. Then total outside part and total outside portion and inside portion both are in same or different? Same. What is the total surface area and curved surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. And here how many diagrams are there? 8 diagrams are. Every diagram 4 pi r square. 8 diagrams means multiplied by 8. We require this value. Okay. 4 pi, it is 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. Yes. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? No. Then answer? First one. If question is related to either cylinder or cone or sphere or hemisphere, first check the 11 multiple. Either curved surface area or total surface area or volume. Okay? Then answer is always 11 multiple. Next question number 12. The average weight of Ramu and his 6 friends is how much? 49 kgs. Ramu and his 6 friends total 700. 7 persons average 49. What is the 7 persons sum? 7 into 4900. If Ramu is 5 kgs more than the which one? Average weight of 6 friends. Suppose average weight of 6 friends we are consider A. Okay. What is the sum of the 6 friends? 6 into A or not? But 7th person Ramu or not? Ramu is compared to their average, how much value or more? 5 Ks more. Means Ramu age are A plus 5 or only A? A plus 5. Left hand side how many persons sum? 7 persons. Right hand side 6 persons plus Ramu or not? Both are adding, that is equal to which one? 7 into 49. 6A plus A, 7A. That 7A equal to 7 into 49 minus how much? 500. 7 into 49 means it is 7 cube. What is the 7 cube? 343 minus 5. It is 338. Then A equal to how much? 338 by 700. 7 how many times? 4 times. What is the remaining? 58. How many times? 8 times or not? What is the remaining? 2 by 7. It is only A value. What is the question here? Ramu weight or not? How many kgs are adding? 5 kgs or not? 48 by 48 2 by 7 plus 5. What is the answer? 53 2 by 7. Just integers are added or not? 48 plus 5 53. 53 2 by 7. Because we required Ramu means A plus 5 or only A? A plus 5. Next question number 13. Two trains P and Q start with uniform speeds at the same time from points X and Y respectively and towards each other after crossing each other. What is the key point here? After crossing each other. After crossing each other means what is the formula? S1 by S2 that is equal to square root of T2 by T1 and T2 by T1. P takes 25 hours to reach the Y and Q take 9 hours to reach the X. X and Y respectively. Means after crossing, one will be reached the destination 25 hours, another one reached the destination 9 hours. After crossing or after meeting, directly we written formula S1 by S2 equal to how much? Under root of T2 by T1. S1 by S2, it is equal to, what is the T2 value? 9 hours. And what is the T1 value? 25. Square root of 9 by 25 means 3 by 5 or not? What is the speeds ratio? 3:5. What the first one speed? 6600. But we required second one speed 100. What are the 3 parts value? 66. Then 5 parts value? 110. After passing or after casting, always we are using formula. S1 by S2 equal to square root of T2 by T1. Next question number 14. A certain sum amounts to 3648 when invested for 2 years at 6.1 by 4% per annum compound interest. Then find the simple interest on the same sum, same rate of interest, and the same time period or different time period. Same time period. And here both the cases principal is same or different? Same. Both the cases time period also same is given. Both the cases rate of interest also same is given. What is the rate of person in first one? 6.1 by 4%. What is the per annum rate of person? 6.25%. 6.25% means what is the fraction? 1 by 16. Means principal is how many parts? 16 parts. Interest 1 part. Interest 1 part. It is 1 year interest or 2 years interest? 1 year interest. 1 year interest 1 part. 2 years interest 2 parts. We required simple interest for 2 years means we return 2 parts interest out of 1600. 2 by 16 of certain principal 100. Yes or no? Principal is how many parts? 16 parts. What is the per annum interest? 1 part. How many years are given in simple interest? 2 years. What is the 2 years interest? 2 parts are. Then we require 2 by 16 of certain principal. Okay. Principal is represents how many parts? 16 parts. In that how many parts interest we required? 2 parts. Irrespective of p value, answer must be multiple of 800. Yes or no? First option 8 multiple. No. Second option. No. Third option. Yes. Fourth one. No. Then answer 384. What is the 1 year interest? 1 part. 2 years interest? 2 parts. Then we require 2 by 16. 2 by 16 means 1 by 8. Then answer must be multiple of which one? 800. Question number 15. Which institute has the same percentage of students who passed with respect to the students who appeared from that institute? Okay. Which institute has the same percentage of students who passed with respect to the who appeared from that institute? What the first option are given? PNT. Okay. First option PNT. What the P? How many degrees are in first diagram? 105. 105 degrees out of which one? 360 or 100. What is the 360 degrees value? 1800 are given or 100. Yes or no? Those are appeared in institute P or 100. 360 how many times? 5 times or 100. 105 into 5. 525. Those are in appeared in institute P or 100. Next, again we required pass value in institute P or 100. What is the percentage of pass in second diagram? 15%. 15% of which one? 1200. 15% of 1200 means 180. Okay. That 180 is calculated on which one? 525. We are get the sum percentage or not? It is only P value or T value? P value. Again we need to identify the which one? T value or T means how many degrees? 72. 72 upon which one? 360 multiplied by 1800. 360 how many times? 5 times. 72 5 are 360. And pass value in second diagram 25%. 25% means it is 300. 300. Sorry, T. Sorry. What is the T value? 39 degrees. 39 by which one? 360 into how much value? 1800. 360 how many times? 5 times or 39 into 5. 195 or. And what is the pass value? 12% or 12% of 1200? 144 అన్నాడు. 144 upon which value? 195 into 100. First one 180 by 525 అన్నాడు. What is the 10% of 525? 52.5. 30%. 156 something అన్నాడు. Okay, but here 180 అన్నాడు. More than 30% or less than 30%? More than 30%. Second one 195 and 144 అన్నాడు. Okay, what is the 10%? 19.5. What is the 40%? 78 అన్నాడు. Means it will be more than 40 or less than 40? More than 40. But 180 is less than 40 అన్నాడు. Yes or no? Means these two are equal or not equal? Not equal. Means first option is not satisfied. What is the second option? R and S. We required same percentage or different percentage? Same percentage. And here 360 degrees value is how much? 1800. Then every 1 degree 5. 72 degrees 360 అన్నాడు. Next 25% of 1200 means 300. Then we return 300 by 360 multiplied by 100 అన్నాడు. It is 5 times 6 times అన్నాడు. 5 by 6 means how much? 83. 1 by 3% అన్నాడు. Next again we required which one? మనం ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం? క్యూనా ఆర్ కదా కావాల్సింది. వాట్ ద ఆర్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ డయాగ్రామ్? 90 degrees means 1/4 అన్నాడు. వాట్ ద 1/4 of 1800? 450. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ద 30% of 1200? 360 అన్నాడు. 360 by 450 into 100. Again we required which one? S value. S means here 54 degrees అన్నాడు. 54 by 360 into 1800. Almost 5 times. 54 5 how much? 270 అన్నాడు. And S what is the percentage? 18% అన్నాడు. 18% of 1200 means it is 216 multiplied by 100 అన్నాడు. 9 4 times 9 5 times అన్నాడు. 54 4 the 54 5 the equal percentage or different percentage? Equal percentage. Which option? Second option. Next question number 16. A train 204 meters in length crosses a man running in opposite direction in how many seconds? 36 seconds. Find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. If the speed of the man is given to 2/3 meter per second. When a train passes a man means total distance are sum of only train length. Only train length is how much? 204 meters. But it will be passes in how many seconds? 36 seconds. Divide by 36 అన్నాడు. Distance by time we are get the speed. In opposite direction relative speed sum of the speeds అన్నాడు. Suppose speed of the train are yes it is meter per second and speed of the man are 2/3. It is considered 8/3 అన్నాడు. 8/3. 204 by 36 meter per second అన్నాడు. Right hand side meter per second plus meter per second. Both are in same or different? Same. Simplify that one. We are get the S value in meter per second. But we required which one? Kilometer per hour. First 36 and 204. 6 how many times denominator? 6 times. Numerator 3. Again 4 times or 34 by 6. 17 times 3 times or it is 17/3. Here already 8/3. What is the difference? 9/3 or 9/3 means 3. S equal to how much? 3 meter per second. But it is converted to kilometer per hour multiplied by 18/5 or 3 into 18 54/5. 54/5 means 10/4/5. Next question number 17. Can I skip the question? Simplification మాట్లాడాలా? Next question number 18. In the figure AB is parallel to which one? CD. Angle AB equal to how much? 72. Angle BD equal to 38. What is the measure of angle CDE? And here B value and O value same or different? Same angles. If it is B value 72 means O value also 72. What is the total this angle? 180 100. Out of 180 here, 72 100. What is the remaining angle? 108 100. And here triangle DOE 180 100. In that 180 already two angles are given 100. 108 plus 38, 146. What is the remaining? 34. Means D value is how many degrees? 34. What is the question here? Angle CDE. Angle CDE also how many degrees? 34 100. Next question number 19. Rahul sold a mobile to Ramu at a gain of how much? 18.3 by 4%. Ramu sold it to Ravi at a profit of how much? 8.1 by 3%. If Ravi paid 13,585 for it, then how much did Rahul pay for the mobile? 18.3 by 4%. 75 by 400. 75 by 400. 25 how many times? 3 times. 25 16 times or not? Next 8 1 by 3% means what is the fraction? 1 by 12 or not? 1 by 12. Here first person to second person profit or loss? Profit. Second to third also profit. Means profit means increased or decreased? Increased. Means first to second increased, second to third also increased. Successive increased or successive increased? Successive increased. Okay. Suppose Rahul original value we are consider RA, and first one how much value are increased? 3 by 16. Out of 16 parts 3 parts are increased or not? Then we return 19 by 16 or not? Increased or decreased? Increased. Second one how much fraction are increased? 1 by 12. Means out of 12 parts 1 part are increased. Then after increased 13 by 12 or not? That is after two operations or not? That is equal to how much value? 1358 or not? Just listen, right hand side value 11 multiple. Right hand side value 11 multiple. Obviously left hand side, any cancellation of 11? No. Then answer 11 multiple or not? Right hand side value 11 multiple. Any cancellation in left hand side? No. First option 11 multiple. If there is no cancellation means answer must be 11 multiple or not? First option 11 multiple? No. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? Yes. Next question number 20. 1/5 of a journey is covered at a rate of 50 km per hour, 1/6 at the rate of 40 km per hour, and the rest at the rate of 38 km per hour. Find the average speed of the whole journey or not? Average speed means we return total distance by total time or not? What is the first case fraction? 1/5 distance. Second one 1/6. What is the LCM? 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. LCM are 30. Suppose total distance I consider 30 kilometers. 1/5 means 6 kilometers or not? 1/6 means 5 kilometers or not? Numerator LCM or denominator LCM? Denominator LCM is how much? 30 or not? Means total distance are represents 30 parts or 30 kilometers. First one 1/5 means 6 kilometers. Second one 5 kilometers. Obviously remaining 19 kilometers or not? Yes or no? These three are adding, we are get the total distance or not? Next, by average speed means total distance by total time or not? Okay. What is the first case distance? 6 kilometers. What is the first case speed? 50 kilometer per hour or not? Distance by speed we are get the time in first one or not? Plus what is the second one distance? 5 kilometers with a speed of how much? 40 kilometer per hour. We are get the second one time or not? Plus what is the third one distance? 19. What is the third one speed? 38 or not? What is the numerator? Total distance. Denominator total time. Then we are get the total speed or not? Total speed means it will be average speed or time? Average speed. Numerator directly how much? 30. Denominator 6 by 50 means it is 3 by 25 or not? 5 by 40 means 1 by 8. 19 by 38 means 1 by 2 or not? Okay. What are the denominators of denominator? 25, 8 and 2 or not? Okay, what is the LCM? 200. LCM is how much? 200. Then 30 multiplied by how many times? 200 times or not? 25 how many times? 8 times or not? 8 3 is how much? 24 plus 8 how many times? 25 plus 25. 2 how many times? 100 times plus 100 or not? Yes or no? First one 25 means 8 times. 8 3s are 24. Second one 8 means how many times? 25 times. 25 ones are 25. Third one 2 means it will be 100 times or not? 100. Numerator we are getting how much? 6000. Denominator 149 or not? Which option?